Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna,
What? Huh?
if you liked it
Yeah.
or not.
No.
No, just click like and woo, boost us. And the first stuff we're gonna do here, I need to get my eyes underneath. I need to clean out this bed. I need to get all this plastic off. I need to kill bees, get rid of bees as necessary. I've got a few handy tools here. Get that job done. So I'm gonna set you up here, give you kind of an overhead look, or maybe back here, over the shoulder here. I think they should all be either too cold, which is the idea, time frame. Too cold or mostly dead.
It on my eye.
Yep, accidents happen, big guy. My bad. I think most all that's pretty well done.
Can I help you fix, Dad?
Got big guy. Let's
start fixing, Dad.
start fixing. Well, that's what we're doing right now.
Okay, I'm using this. Can I use the light too, so I can see under there? Need the light.
Do you really though? Came out. Whoa, she's tight like a tiger. I think my son just went under to check the fuel tank. Earlier, that's what him and I were doing. We were looking at the fuel tank hardware. See how fun that was going to be to drop the fuel tanks. We gotta clean them out, check them, maybe even buy a new one, but I don't know.
I can see something.
Replace sensors
More. I'm gonna help you.
on the top,
Daddy, getting greasy. Wow.
and
Getting greasy. Stand back.
I got me a transfer
Getting
pump.
greasy, Sissy. Stand back. Stop it. Getting greasy.
Bubba, are you saying getting greasy? Okay.
And he keeps saying it over and over. And I hate it.
Well, maybe he's really interested in getting greasy, hun. Ah, that's not good.
Hey, Sissy.
Oh,
Look at my thumb. See? Greasy. Dad, look at my thumb. Greasy.
your thumb is?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this tailgate real quick, up close. I'm really worried about rust on this. Let's lift it. We gotta redo this. I'm gonna pull this piece off. Go ahead and get a better look at it, and then see if, I think it's a pretty good tailgate, honestly. It's about as good as I'm gonna get until I can buy a whole nother one. Thank you, you do good work. Let's hope the interior of this box is in good condition.
Need some of your
GoPro, stop capturing. Alright, let's get right back to this. I'll be honest with you, my dad's gonna be happy to see. Yep. I don't know how I ended up with a whole lot of it. For any of you older fellas out there, you know what I'm talking about, don't you? Those kids, they come, they just take whatever they want. So to take that off, that's gotta go like that. And then if I remember right, it actually pulls out. Ah! Ooh, oh, ee, oh. That's not in bad condition. How good do tailgates have to be? That's my question, guys. All the mounts are solid. The handle's solid. We're gonna need a trash can. I'm gonna throw these away right now. This looks like my current dipstick out of the engine. I don't know why it's back here. It's supposed to be up there. Nope. Oh, this one's heavy. Empty. part number DO 63.90. Wait, 63.90. Throttle body millimeter size? I don't know. Nobody knows what I'm talking about. Not even I know what I'm talking about. It's totally unprofessional. This is disgusting. This is gonna go right in this hole. I need this though. It's my radiator cap. It should be under the hood too. I don't know why these things aren't under the hood where they belong. What is going on around here? That is a thing of the past. I strive to be better. It's another one. It's a bad hose. Never do that again. You gotta say, this is important. Now you never know when you need a good hook. Plus, if I found a good rubber band, you know, one of them boingy boingies, one of them strong rubber bands. You know what I'm talking about, the strong rubber bands. I'll just show you. I think I got one hidden up here. This is a big boy rubber band. This guy looks important. Some form of a kick down jig. See the kick down action? I hope you see the kick down. Also, this used to be a column shift. I moved it to the floor. I'm kind of curious if some of the shit was weight reduction. Except I put it in the back of the pickup. So it's like still having the same weight on the vehicle. They are 11 by 36. I am running 16.5-inch wheels. I plan on fixing that. I also plan on doing discs on the rear, disc conversion. I'm going to use a YouTube video to do that. And now I'm going to make my own video doing it. Yeah, money. Oh my god. Anyway, we really need to do something with this. Like, make it go to a far, far away land for an extended period of stay. Who's with me on that one? Let us check out what's in the box. Anyone need wood? This doesn't hold itself up. What? Did you see that? It didn't even hold itself up. The toolbox doesn't hold its own lid up. I can pop one off. Take that down to my buddy at Sports Truck Center. He might have them that short. We can match him up. Here's one. I believe. Two. Okay. He welded it in, riveted it. See? Swirl pattern. They need to be cleaned. This is the same color as the pickup. That's a dragon. Ain't that something? My not so very smartness. I went mudding and didn't take them off. Look at them now. This guy got ripped real good. This thing tried to bend. They're all bent up now. You know, this is tacked. Doot, doot, doot. I don't know. I think I was in those close to $400. No fuel pump here. Took it out. It's over there on the bench. I know where it's at. Fix that issue. Abba-dee, abba-doo! We're gonna get this thing emptied. Hey! Heck yeah. Watch this. We're gonna do a count. Because I'm almost positive I don't have enough. Here we go. 1. Check this out. Because I'm a baller. Dragon. You wanna know what my rearview mirror's doing? In my toolbox, not on the vehicle. Okay. Well, first off, there's a story with it. And it's real simple. Are you ready? Racers don't look back. One of my favorite tools. Anyone ever been excited to have a hacksaw? That's tool section. We're gonna put that in the tool section. Ugh! Header bolts. You can't miss the trash can. This needs to go back to my dad, but I broke it. Because again, I bought him something real nice when they came out for his birthday. I was a kid. I managed to get it back in my possession, and I managed to break it. He was pretty sad about it. He's like, wasn't that mine? I believe that's what he said. I cried. I was young, and he was pretty sad that I broke it, and it made me feel sad that I did that. Such a rotten kid. It's pretty beat up. We're gonna set this over here and have a moment to think about that. Remember we were supposed to be counting these? I don't have near enough. These are 3-inch. Let's see, they identify themselves right. They identify themselves as 2 1/4, but they're 3. So who do we believe? Race car parts. Oh, listen to this guy. We got another one. I almost think we could lift the bed. I think the bed has 6. Am I wrong? Somebody help me. It's 8, isn't it? Bed has 8. Yeah, we have 5. Jag stickers because they add horsepower. Why is it so gooey? Was I like, oh, a dirty bottle, let's just wrap it 12 times? Children, okay? I don't do this anymore. Can you concur? Does anyone believe me? Is this a starter shim? Ow! This thing was like way out and opened. It smacks so good, guys. I remember when I was driving it, I wanted to hear my 4 barrels open, because that sound when that 4 barrel comes open. Restrictor plates. Don't have it on there. Took off the restrictor plate. Not exactly street legal. Let's keep that on the down low. Headlamp adjustment screw. Boy, we better keep that. That way my headlights don't end up looking like my eyes. Can't have that. Gotta be able to adjust them. These are my race turbo boots. Everything's gotta be race, okay? For race turbo boots. Always necessary. Always keep your turbo boots. So that when you blow a leak and you lose your whistle, you can fix it. How many are we up to, boys? Uh-oh. That's why we couldn't get the timing right. Bolts. Hovers over the crank. I'm just playing games with you. I have one on this. Maybe. Alright. There we go. 30-minute circuit pass. 1 month. Longevity bonuses. That's what I'm talking about. Racetrack paperwork. I'm just kidding. Come on, you guys got me there. This isn't a race. Have you seen this thing? It doesn't even run. You guys are gonna love this upload. Or you're not, and I don't really care, but I'm just kidding. I do care. Please, like it. Thumbs up. Hey, look. Back when people used to balance checkbooks. Let's just go through a few of these. Fuel, food, condoms. Do I have to edit that? Gas? Gas? By the way, those were less than 7 days apart. Mother's Day was on there too. There's priorities in life, people, and it's called get a debit card. Look at that. Would you look at that? Most prized possession. I'm gonna have this on there somewhere. Limited edition, because badges add horsepower. Let's count them, boys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can raise the box with 8 of them. We're missing quite a few. I'm gonna go ahead and set those very close to the trash can. And I will catch up with you guys on another video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Couldn't keep a straight face. Share it with your friends, okay? Painting you guys in smiles. Screw this hat too, by the way.
That's good.
Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna, if you liked it or not. No, just click like and boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture, bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you guys.
Anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Not the way you were flattening
was I
the.
supposed to be
the-
watching?